Hey, Thomas Bartke here. Welcome to the channel. I want to show quickly here how we have implemented a very flexible way of implementing the mic map in the ShowPlayer Pro app. The mic map is here and it shows the list of character, or sometimes we put the actual actors' names, as is the case here. And so they are named here and the list is ordered in this particular order. And what's going on here in the back, there are handheld mics that are used. There are 3 handheld mics, and then there's a blank here at the end. And so there are 12 mics that are personal body mics with specific characters, and then there are 3 handheld mics. And so you can do things like move a mic in a different position, and it references here immediately where it came from. And when you hit save, it's all going to be reorganized and resorted in the order that you've created here now. So, and then the other thing that is cool is that if you have channels that are not naturally, or the way that your setup is, they're not on the board in the same place as they are here in the numbers, then you can just put in a different number and it will automatically send the signal, the automation signals, to that channel on the board. So right here, this handheld mic 13, 14, 15, those are the 3 handheld mics, and they happen to show up on the board on channels 19 to 21, right here, 19 to 21, right? And so over here, they are in 13 through 15, but they are simply remapped to 19 through 21, and the blank one is here sent to 22. And so now, whenever there is a mic actually that needs to open, let's go over here and just do this on the mic switchboard here. So 13 is the handheld mic, right? And you can see here when I toggle 13 on the switchboard, it actually sends the signal out to 19. So this is making it very flexible, so that if you have a board setup that is a little bit out of the ordinary, or just, you don't have to re-plug everything on your board. You can just go and use the mic map feature here to remap and reroute the channels to where they belong. And this also applies when you, for example, when you have a show and you have, let's say you have 20 characters that are automated in the show setup, but you only have 16 mics. Well, then you can just think about how you want to have mics shared, and then you can just route the same number here. Let's say we're going to this one, and instead of sending it to 22, we're also going to send it to 12, okay? So now we have 2 signals, 2 media automation signals going to the same channel, and that's not a problem at all. I'm just going to hit save on this here real quick. I'm going to have to remember to undo this later. And now when we have 16, when I toggle 16, that's actually going to unmute number 12 over here. So this is 12 is automated by toggling 16, because 16 is a character that has a mic shared with number 12, but number 12 is also going to toggle 12. So when they're on, when both of them are on, then 12 is on, and when you mute one of them, then it gets toggled off. But in the mic automation and all the automated scenes, it's if either 12 or 16 is on, then the mic is going to be on, and if both of them are off, then it's going to be off. So it's very flexible and kind of a very ingenious way of making the app accommodate all kinds of cases and all kinds of situations without actually having to change your setup or making a big change to anything at all. You just make the change in the app and it'll come out and accommodate your needs just perfectly automatically. So I just wanted to show this. There are several things that I want to show in kind of shorter videos, and I'll be releasing them on the channel. So thanks for watching, and go over to audiohost.com. You can get the link to the Apple App Store there, and you can actually download the app, and then you can go in here and look at the demo show here. When you go into manage shows, there's an actual demo show here with a guided feature demo that can kind of that you can use to go through the app and learn some of the features and see how easy it is to use. So thanks for watching. This is Thomas Bartka signing off.